Want to sound smarter in seconds? Try these challenging words that instantly boost your vocabulary. Audacious, it means daring and bold. That was an audacious move. Peevish, easily annoyed. He gets peevish without his morning coffee. Meritorious, worthy of praise. She received a Meritorious award for her work. Belligerent, hostile and aggressive. His belligerent tone scared everyone. Erudite, scholarly and well-educated. The professor was truly erudite. Want more power-packed words? Subscribe to Everyday English Boost and grow your vocabulary one word at a time.